okay, I believe it's, okay, it starts on the right here. Right, it says, CNN, many scientists say it's abundantly clear that the Earth is entering its 6th mass extinction event, meaning 3/4 of all species could disappear in coming centuries. Now, I wonder who's at fault for that. Okay, see, it's going to blame humans as a whole, but we all know that it's the so-called white man. We all know that he is at fault for all of this. Okay. Alright, it goes on to say, but that's not even the full picture of the biological annihilation people are inflicting on the natural world, say nature. Now, people use this term nature as in, you know, some, well, they talk about it like it's just this thing that you know, it just is. Okay, which is funny because every time they talk about nature or natural things, they don't never really attribute it to their Heavenly Father, man, which is, you know, the reason and of all of this, man. He set things in a natural order. Okay, that's what he designed. That's you know, its purpose, and that's how it was meant to work. Okay, and the so-called white man is inflicting damage on that natural world that the Most High created, man. You know, the way things are supposed to work, meant to work, in harmonious arrangement. Okay? It says, according to a study published Monday in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, Gerardo Sebelius, an ecology professor at the UNICED, from that university, and his co-authors including well-known Stanford University biologist Paul Ehrlich, citing new evidence that populations of species we thought were common are suffering in unseen ways. Everything in the world is suffering, man. You know, I don't think I need to read the whole thing. But, you know, you can read this article in your own time if you so please. Okay, but, you know, it gives some numbers and all this kind of stuff of things that are... okay, let me read this quickly. It said the key findings: nearly 1/3 of the 27,600 land-based mammal, bird, amphibians, and reptile species studied are shrinking in terms of their numbers and territorial range. The researchers called that an extremely high degree of population decay. Okay, and there's a population decay among humans, so-called humans, man. Okay, like I said, that moral decay in society is destroying us, man. It's destroying this world. Okay, where Esau is fucking with everything. Okay, poisoning everything. Okay. So, like I said, the so-called white man is the cause and root of all this, man. Okay, and in due time, the Most High gonna bring his judgment for him. Okay, and for the world. Okay, so like I said, biological annihilation. Okay, Esau done fucked with everything on the planet. He's fucking up the natural order of all things on the planet, man, and everything is suffering because it's all meant to work together in harmony, man. And we don't have harmony among any species right now, man. Okay, everything is suffering and everything is being poisoned, man, by the works of the devil. Okay, the so-called white man. Okay. Now, if I can just grab this quickly, just an explanation, and I'm going to get some scriptures. Okay, this is from Wikipedia. Okay, on the term ecology. Okay, ecology from the Greek house or environment. So it is the scientific analysis and study of interactions among organisms and their environment. Alright, it says it is an interdisciplinary field that includes biology, geography, and earth science. Ecology includes the study of interactions that organisms have with each other. Okay, so that goes into anything, any organisms that have interaction with each other. And, you know, starting here with men and women, our interactions have gone way the fuck off, man. Okay, we do not play the roles that men and women are supposed to play, man. Okay, our roles have been altered in this world, man. because of the so-called white man and his philosophies, okay, his grand ideals, okay, him wanting to play God, you know, bringing in equal rights between men and women, you know, changing men to women, women to men, you know, allowing gays, you know, homosexuals to run, you know, amok on this place, man. Really, they should be put to death. Okay, all this, you know, the poison of the waters, you know, the introduction of, you know, how he gets these women on the welfare to you know, women's rights. Okay, so they can fuck off the guy out of the house and all this kind of madness, man. Esau is fucking with the very fabric of life. Okay, and how everything is supposed to naturally interact with each other, man. That's what he's fucking up. Okay. Says other organisms and abiotic components of their environment. Topics of interest to ecologists include the diversity, distribution, amount, biomass, and number population of particular organisms, as well as the cooperation and the competition between organisms. Okay, so like I said, Esau is affecting all of that. Okay, and that is why we can't get along, man. Okay, we can't get along in an ecosystem because our ecosystem has been destroyed. Okay, just among men and women is being destroyed. So how are we supposed to thrive as a species when we're at odds with each other where we shouldn't be? Okay, so that's just in, you know, in the human species, so-called. Okay, but Esau has affected every interaction in the whole earth. Okay, how are we supposed to survive when the whole system, our whole ecosystem is fucked? You can't eat fish because they've been, you know, contaminated with fucking radiation and all this kind of stuff. We've been poisoned left, right, center, from the water, from the air. How are we supposed to survive under the rulership of Esau, man? Under this devil? He's fucking everything up, and it's only going to lead to destruction. Like the article just said, man. What was it? Bio fucking annihilation, man. That trend that these you know, mammals and reptiles and that all going through, man, we're all a part of that, man, and we're all going to suffer from that. Okay, we're going to be a part of those fucking numbers, man. Okay. So ecosystems are composed of dynamically interacting parts, including organisms and communities they make up, and the non-living components of their environment. Ecosystem processes such as primary production, pedogenesis, nutrient cycling, and various niche construction activities regulate the flux of energy and matter through an environment, even an energy, man, that it creates with the interaction of certain things, man. We're under dark energy in this place, man. You know, and it's showing. So these processes are sustained by organisms with specific life history traits. Okay, we're meant to operate in a certain way, man. That is how the Most High created it. If you don't operate in that way, you get problems, man. Okay, because historically, and you know, that is what they're meant to do. And you start fucking around with that, man, like I said, you get problems. It says, these processes are sustained by organisms, and the variety of organisms is called biodiversity. Biodiversity, which refers to the varieties of species, genes, and ecosystems, enhances certain ecosystem services. Okay, we're all meant to work in a harmonious arrangement, man, but like I said, Esau's got all this fucked up. Okay? I'm running a bit short on time because this took a little bit longer than I wanted to. What I'm going to do is go for a quick break and I'll finish this video, you know, with the scriptures and that. So bear with me one moment, brothers. Shalom.